This morning we're having a look at something a little bit different. I've been trying to clear up my room. As you'll notice, the console collection cabinet is quite empty. That's mainly because I've moved it all over to here in a bookshelf. Bookcase. Bookshelf. It's not a case, it doesn't have the doors. However, I think I'll be modifying that to put doors on it and make it a darker colour. Pretty much like this, but just in an easier to carry portable size. I can't imagine moving that thing around again, it's massive. And of course we've got the bird cage and the bird toys, which make no sense until you look out here and see the birds. Yeah. Hello, Tilly. No, not even registering today. So I wanted to talk to you about these. Well, this is Fats Domino by Philips Rainbow Records. So this is a great album. I can remember as a kid listening to this on the old record player. And the rainbow is the bit you see spinning around in the middle. But first we'll have a look at some of the great hits that are on here. So we've got Blue Monday, I'm Walking, My Blue Heaven. I mean, all of these songs are good. And that's exactly what Fats Domino is. He's fantastic. So the back's not terribly exciting. Got a little code up there. So Rainbow was in DY. Geez, that must have been a while ago. So I'll take this out with... So of course this is just like a compilation album. Here it is. So you could say it may have somewhat shaped my taste in music, having me being exposed to such great music at a young age. Attention Fats Domino Volume 2. Well, there you go. Two sides of great music. Really is a beautiful album, but I just don't have space for records, I'm afraid. I thought I did. I thought I'd end up getting one of those fancy record players, doing all the preamps and whatnot. But as it turned out, that is not how it goes in the case. It wasn't to be. So that's the first. So I've got a couple here. So that's the one I remember the most. That one, and possibly they also did maybe a Jerry Lee Lewis one. Great Balls of Fire and all that jazz. This is another one. Distributed by EMI. It's got a bit of a blurb on the back. I think he's still in New Orleans, which is pretty impressive. What a handsome young man. Love that hair. So that's another one. I guess we can have a look at the disc. So I'll probably end up just giving these to charity and they'll find their way to a new home. Buy the bloody rainbow ones plural. I've ended up with two somehow. On eBay because I couldn't find them anywhere, and I had the original copy was well and truly lost. Don't know where it ended up. Or maybe it is one of them. That's why I've got two. I have no idea. Yeah, lots of good hits on there. Good 33 1/3. I'll tidy these up in a moment. Whoa! This is an old looking one. 12 million records. Printed in the USA. Looks like this is an import. Imperial Records. You can see this one's had a bit of repair along the top. Lithographed in the USA. Gosh, now this has got a story and a half on the back. Some of these probably also have I guess inserts or leaflets in the actual covers as well. Another important factor that cannot be overlooked as a part of Fat's amazing success is his material. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty important. $15 gold records. RIAA. Why do I associate that name with evil? Leave a comment. This one. This one. Oh, the mailman's here. More excitement. Hollywood, USA. This one needs it clean. There's more fingerprints on it than anything. So there you have it. Good album. There's no sort of year anywhere, but if I had to hazard a guess, I would say the past. And here we have a picture disc. Man, oh, this looks like it fell out of the, what, 70s? Do we reckon? Jambalaya. Picture discs are such a wacky idea. Very nice colours though. Certainly. Oh, it's got track listing. This one would look interesting spinning around. Made in Denmark. Oh, these are made all over the place. Oh, I'm going to be a wheel someday. Magnificent. And the same thing again. I don't know how I ended up with two. It's a mystery beyond me. Pinstripe suit. I had a pinstripe suit once. Anyway, thanks for watching. This video is a bit off topic of the Shane McRetro typical stream, although if the typical stream becomes so jaded, is it really typical anymore? Maybe this is an atypical channel now. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Attempts to emulate a disc spinning manually. Yes, it's working. Quick, fade to black.